Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got some delicious fluffy buttermilk blueberry pancakes and a berry infused maple syrup. Let's get started. So we're just going to be pouring the 100% maple syrup in a pot. And you're just going to be cooking the berries in this same syrup over medium heat. So you're just cooking it until some of them like pop open and all those flavors are released. And then you'll also see the change in color. Okay, here we go. We're going to be starting our pancake batter, and what we're doing first is we're going to be sifting all the dry ingredients. When you sift everything, then it helps to get rid of lumps, and you also incorporate air inside the batter too. So make sure you don't skip this step. Alright, so now we are going to be whisking everything just to make sure everything is evenly distributed. Okay guys, so we're doing the wet ingredients. Of course, the eggs were separated. Please remember to check the recipe in the description box. Alright, so at this point you're going to be folding in the liquids. Don't add everything all at once. Do it in like 3 parts. And you can do this with a spatula or with a whisk. Just don't over mix. And it's going to look a little bit lumpy, but that's perfectly fine. Now this is what we do to get it nice and fluffy. The egg whites are going to be beaten with your cake mixer. And just do this until it has some soft fluffy peaks. And then we're going to be folding the beaten egg whites into the batter. And that's going to help to make it really nice and airy and fluffy. So make sure you do separate your eggs and beat the egg whites separately. Do not skip this step, guys. This is the secret to the fluffiness. So I'm going to be using a small non-stick pan just to get the shape of the pancake perfectly, but you can always use a bigger non-stick pan and cook at least 3 or 4 pancakes at once. Or if you have a flat top grill or griddle, you can use that as well. So what you're doing is just watching the edges of the pancake. You will see some bubbles forming, some tiny bubbles, and then some bigger bubbles. So once you see the bubbles get bigger and start to pop, then you know it's gonna be time to flip the pancake real soon. This is the kind of stuff that they don't show you on TV. So it wasn't flipped perfectly, but that's fine. We'll get it. All you have to do is just gently just shift it over and you're good to go, just the same. Sometimes I do put a cover on just to get some steam in there, but it's not 100% necessary. You can do it or you can leave out that step. All right, let's see. Ooh, don't worry, don't laugh. Okay, it's fine. We'll get it. Would you just look at that? It is so nice and fluffy and tender, guys. I know you're gonna love this recipe. Forget about the pancake mix for one time and try this recipe. I guarantee you'll love it. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Take care.